Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are using Ometv on your iPhone and your camera isn't working, don't worry, this video is for you. So whether the screen stays black or the app doesn't ask for the camera access or it just won't load, we have got some of the simple steps that you can use in order to solve this problem. I will walk you through each and every step clearly so that you could follow along even if you are not a tech savvy. Also, make sure you check out the useful links in the description for any app updates or helpful resources mentioned in this video. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So, in the first method, you will have to simply enable the camera permissions. So, most of the time, the camera issue happens because the application doesn't have the permission to use it. In order to fix that, you need to come out of your Ometv app and then tap on the settings icon of your iPhone. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Ometv, and once you are able to find Ometv, you need to simply tap on its icon. Now over here you will see the camera settings, and here you need to make sure that the camera is switched on for Ometv. You can also switch on the microphone and the mobile data or the cellular data just to be safe. Now you need to go back to your Ometv and try starting a chat again and see if the camera loads, and if it is loading successfully, you have successfully fixed this issue. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try this second method in which you can just simply restart your phone. So sometimes it's not the application, it's the phone. So in order to fix that, you just have to simply press and hold the side button and volume up until you see the power slider. Then you need to slide to the power off and wait for about 10 seconds. Then you just have to turn your phone back on, and you need to reopen Ometv, and in most of the cases the camera will start working normally after a clean reboot. Now if the issue still persists, you can try this final method that is definitely going to work, in which you will have to simply come out of your Ometv and you need to simply long press on its icon. Now once you long press, you will see a bunch of different options here like remove the app, share the app, and edit home screen. So among these options, you just have to simply tap on remove app and select the option of delete app. So basically you are going to delete Ometv from your app, from your iOS device, and after that you just have to open your app store, and here you need to simply search for Ometv. Basically what we are doing here, we are actually uninstalling Ometv and then reinstalling from App Store. So what this will do is it will fix a lot of bugs, plus you are going to get the latest version of Ometv. So you need to search for Ometv, and once you are able to find it, you need to simply tap on the get button or this download button, and you need to basically reinstall it in your device. Now when you open this application for the very first time, you need to make sure that you allow the camera access when it is prompted. Reinstalling clears any broken settings or cached data that could be caused the issue, and that's it. These were some of the 3 steps in order to solve the Ometv camera issues on iOS for most of the users. Now all the resources mentioned, including the latest version of the app, are linked in the description, so check those out if you need them. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.